A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Now, me ask you that question here already, and me go ask you again. You ever think about what it wouldn't be like if we today did have to kill bull cow and goat for sacrifice, for we sin them, so we could have get pardon for we sin them? Think about it. And let me tell you something. Let me tell you how YouTube work. The more people who like a video and comment on a video, and the more people them are gonna show the video too. So if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button now, drop one comment below and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it already, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today me go read from the letter to the Hebrew them, chapter 9, from verse 11 to verse 28. But Christ Jesus come already as the leader for the priests, for the good sitting them where come. And the tent where him go through, that bigger and better than the other one. It no need nothing else to make it no better than it be. And I know people make that one day. That mean fi say another world yeah, it come from. And I know goat blood or KYAAF blood him take do this. But if him own blood him take go in the holiest place. Him go there only one dege time. And I eat that. Him one save the whole away from sin forever. So, if goat and bull cow blood and the ashes for one cow calf can sprinkle upon people when not clean in a God's eye and make them clean, figure worship God, then think about how much more Christ Jesus blood I go do for we. Sake of the spirit will live forever. Him could have give up himself and he nah no sin at all. So, film blood, free with conscience from the sitting them where we do over and over for worship. But we really nah no use and we bound for kill we off. In blood, free with conscience from them there and make we can really serve the God we live forever. As so come, he make one new plan between God and people. So the people them where God call for be him own people them, him can bless them forever like when promise for do. That can happen cause him dead. And cause him go dead, the people them where sin and broke the old time plan where God didn't make with them people there can get pardon. Cause when somebody write one will, they have to prove say somebody dead first for the will of use. The will no mean nothing if the somebody will write it not dead yet. And when the somebody dead, it have power. So the first plan where God did make, they have no power without no blood. Cause when Moses did tell all the people them, everyone a got a rule where they do write down in a law book. Him take one cow calf blood and goat blood with water and one little piece of one plant named hyssop, when tie with some dark red sheepskin and sprinkle the blood and water pan the law book and pan all of the people them. And Moses say, this are the blood for the plan where God make with uno and say uno have to keep. As same so him take the blood and sprinkle pan the tent and pan everything we did in the tent we then did use for worship. And based upon what the law say, you did have to sprinkle blood pan nearly everything to make it clean. And if no blood no run, no sin no get pardon. So the sin them will come in like the one them where they are heaven. Them sacrifice there did have a bun to make them sit there get clean. But the one them where they are heaven, the real one them, better sacrifice did have a bun for them sitting there. Cause Christ Jesus name go in a one tent where people make, where they just act like the real tent. No, sir. Him go in a heaven itself and dead with God. No. For help we. And in then go in a heaven, go give up himself over and over. Like all the leader for the priest, them did have to go in at the holiest place year after year. I carry blood. We are not feed them own. If I saw, then Christ Jesus would have to suffer a whole heap of time since the world make. But near the time when the world I got done now, him give up himself like one sacrifice. Only one time. And that cover everything. That way there, he could have get rid of sin. And just like we know for sure, say at one time, everybody are go dead. And then God are go judge them. Well, I see him so Christ Jesus sacrifice himself only one time for pardon whole heap of people's sin. But when he come back, and him a come for take away sin, but for save the people them, we are wait for him. Hallelujah. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.